Hello UiPath coders. How are you all? Yeah, today we are going to learn a new topic of how to get a current position of an application and how to move it from one position to another position using the get position activity and move window activity. Yeah, let's begin with an activity. Yeah, mm, I'm going to open it in a UiPath and I have created a sequence called as in position, and here it is an available a sequence. I have named it as a position name toolbar, and let me drag a attach window. I'm going to attach a window for demonstration purpose. I'm going to use an Google Chrome application. Yeah, here itself I have dragged an attached window activity and I am going to indicate it on screen. Here it is available. The UiPath is able to identify the Google Chrome application. Yeah, by clicking on that one it was able to identify. Here I am going to create an output variable. Why? Because I have to pass the this window to move position from one position to another position. Yeah, here I'm going to create as a mm, window browser. Window browser. Sorry guys, no problem. Yeah, we can move browser. Have specified, and it will be able to rename by output window browser. Yeah, I'm going to take I have attached an window. Here itself I'm going to get the current position. Get position activity I'm using to bet attribute. It is an attribute. Here itself I am going to indicate it on the screen, the position, which position we want and which position of application we want. Here I am going to specify an Google Chrome application because I have attached an the Google Chrome application in the attached window. Yeah, here itself I have attached, and I'm going to take a result. Let me take a result of result underscore Chrome application. What kind of result it was going to give us? Let's say identify. uh, Here I'm going to take it as an right line activity to get the sequence, I mean to get the position of the activity. Or else you can drag it here. Over here you can drag it in do activity or else in sequence activity. Sequence activity, we have got the output of and do in position. Yeah, result dot. What happened? What is that? Yeah, 1 second guys, I have to get the scope. We have to change the scope here to get the sequence, not an sequence, it is in a position. Yeah, yeah, right now we able to get the variable result chrome dot to string. We have to convert the string format for everything. Yeah, let me run this project. Yeah, we able to identify the position of an current application, current working window. Yeah, here itself it was showing as an x-axis, y-axis, width is 800 and height is 400. Yeah, here itself x-axis means Yeah, the x-axis will start from over here. On the cursor I have placed on the top of the left side of the top position. Here itself the x-axis is starting, and y-axis also started. X-axis means you always know about that one, and width and height are the common points. Yeah, here itself I got the position, and now I was moving from one position to another position using an position uh, move window, using move window activity. Yeah, here itself I have got. Yeah, in move window we have to specify some values. Here I am taking window as an Chrome. I have created an variable for the window browser. uh, Window, I am going to specify the window browser. Yeah, here itself I am going to specify it as a 25 from the x-axis, and both the values are we have to parse an integer type, and from y-axis is 25, and I'm going to specify an height about 300, and width also I'm going to specify as a 600. You can able to identify. Actually right now the Google Chrome application was here itself, and it will be we have to check and where it will be going. Yeah, here itself done. I have specified the everything, what are the required values. And right now I'm going to run the project using as a control F6 to run the project, every project. Yeah, here itself opened an robot and done the project. Yeah, here itself before we have checked here, and right now it was changed from position to here. From x axis I have given as 25, and y axis from 25 it was adjusted by the 25, and here able to you can get the position. Thanks guys. If you like the video, please do subscribe, and give a thumbs up to me. It will boost for me. Thank you guys all.